Benny loved making friends, but he forgot to cover sneezes. Every time Benny sneezed, he didn't think about germs. Soon, something went wrong. Benny felt left out.
So Benny decided to sneeze into his elbow. And everything changed. Moral: covering sneezes protects everyone.